Hello moneymakers. I've shown you YouTube niches with massive numbers before, but the one I found this week will blow your mind, because this is a small channel, and yet they're making solid money from YouTube. I've analyzed hundreds of niches: finance, storytelling, tech, motivation, but this one truly shocked me. It wasn't about trends. It wasn't even about entertainment. It was about faith. Check out this channel named Impactful Video Ministries. This is just a 5-month-old channel and have gained over 1 million views in the long-form niche. If I sort through their popular views, they have gained around 500,000 views on one of their videos, and the other one has more than 100,000 views. Rest of them are also getting decent views. As per Social Blade, this channel is making around $500 a month, which is decent income considering the channel is just 5-month-old. They just upload 2 videos a week, so I am assuming they are working part-time on this channel. This is a perfect niche for you to start a channel, as all they do is upload Bible stories with AI. I have been working the whole week to understand their method of creating video, and I finally cracked the code which I will share in this video. So please don't skip a single part of it, and please hit that like button if you think I work hard to bring these amazing tutorials to you every week. So grab a glass of lemonade and watch this video till the end. Alright, so first of all, to make interesting spiritual warning sign videos like this, you'll need topics that your audience can relate to and feel curious about. The topics should include biblical wisdom, emotional storytelling, personal reflection, and a sense of urgency. And in this type of niche, winning your audience's heart is very important. If people start liking your videos, they'll become your loyal audience, the ones who come back again and again to watch your content. And the best part is, you'll also get amazing watch time from these videos. So now the question is, how will you get ideas for such topics? For that, you need to keep watching and researching similar videos on YouTube regularly. You can also take help from ChatGPT. To do that, open ChatGPT, copy the channel link, and type, "Analyze this channel," and paste the link. ChatGPT will analyze the entire channel in detail: the topic, niche, strategy, flow, views, and everything. After that, open my Google Doc. The link is available in my free Skool Community. You need to copy the first prompt from this document and give it to ChatGPT. I've added all the important details in this prompt so that ChatGPT will understand everything properly. You have to give this prompt to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will give you 10 interesting clickable titles along with thumbnail text. You can ask for as many as you want. Look at these titles, they're amazing. Just to show you a demo, I'm choosing this topic: 5 signs the devil is quietly attacking your life right now. Alright, so our first step is complete, guys. Now it's time to move on to the next step, the script. And scripting is the main heart of this video, because unlike other niches, this one isn't about visuals or trends. It's about how deeply you make people feel God's message. A powerful script can make your viewers reflect on their current choices. Make sure your script doesn't feel robotic. Write it with a storytelling rhythm. And I know we're not experts in script writing, so we'll take help from ChatGPT. But sometimes if we give ChatGPT a random prompt, it gives a generic script that doesn't feel human. So guys, for that I've prepared a complete detailed prompt. That will give you a perfectly humanized script. I've worked very hard to create these prompts, so please don't leave without liking, sharing, and subscribing to this channel. It takes a lot of time and effort. Before we move on, I've got something special for audience. This month, I'm opening the doors for just 10 people to join my private coaching program, where I personally teach you everything I've learned about building and scaling profitable YouTube channels. It's a 10-week live coaching journey, where we'll work together step by step, from finding your perfect niche, crafting videos that actually get views, mastering YouTube SEO, to building your content creation business that can start earning you real income. You'll get direct access to my frameworks, my tools, and the exact systems I've built over 10 years in this industry. Everything I wish I had when I started. You will also get a chance to connect with my script writers and video editors too, the same team who built AI Maskman from 0 to 60,000 subscribers. If you've been trying to grow, but you're stuck, overwhelmed, or tired of guessing what works, this is your chance to get personal guidance and finally make it happen. Book a free call with me using the link below, and if you qualify, you'll get a chance to work with me one-on-one inside this program. This isn't for everyone. It's only for serious action takers who are ready to invest time and effort into their success. Spots usually fill up fast, so if you've been waiting for the right time, this is it. The link's in the description. Let's see if you're a fit. Now let's get back to the video. You just need to copy this prompt, add your topic to it, and give it to ChatGPT. And ChatGPT will immediately generate a 9 to 10 minute script for you. The script will have a perfect flow, and it will not sound robotic at all. But still, like I always say, you should make a few small changes in the script. In the hook, the outro, or by adding some of your own words. For example, if the script says, "Sometimes God removes people from your life to protect you," you can write, "You didn't lose them, God removed them." Because what you call rejection was actually his redirection. This way you can make small changes and use it. Alright, so once our scripting part is also complete, now let's move on to the next step. Now let's check out the editing style of the reference channel. They use a simple beige color background with different poses of a young man in white clothes and facial expressions that match the message. I will teach you step by step how to edit a full video in this style. So first, we will generate images of this type of character. Different expressions, different poses, which we will later use. For that, here's what you have to do. Go to this channel's videos and take screenshots of this type of character in different poses and different expressions. Then come to ChatGPT, upload all those screenshots here and write this. Analyze this image and generate 25 different types of images that I can use in the above video script. Include emotional expression, clothing, lighting, and maintain style consistency in all prompts. And ChatGPT will give you 25 prompts. I will give you all those prompts in a Google Doc so you can directly use them from there. Now let's generate the image. For generating images, I'll use this tool called Whisk Image Generator. Go to Whisk AI, copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. First, I'll copy the visual consistency prompt, which we have to use in every prompt to maintain consistency in the character. This helps in getting the same results every time. Then copy the first prompt. Now paste it into Whisk AI, choose 16:9 ratio, and hit generate. And here we go. Here's the result. This is the exact result we want. Now let's download this. Next, copy the second prompt. To maintain character consistency, upload this character image into the subject option given on the left side. This is how you can create multiple images with the same character, but with different poses and expressions. Now let's copy the third prompt and paste it here. And here's the result. You can see the face, clothes, everything looks the same if you follow this style. This way, generate multiple images and download them. So our image generation work is also complete. Now let's move on to the next step, generating the voiceover. To generate the voice, I'll use 11 Labs. Go to 11 Labs and search for the perfect voice in the voice library. From the filters, choose gender, age, accent, and category for accurate results. I'll go with the Nathaniel voice for my video. Now copy your script from ChatGPT and paste it here, then hit generate. Listen to the audio. If it sounds perfect, download it. Now let's move on to the next and final step, editing. For editing, we'll follow the same style, images with text editing, just like this channel. For this, I'll use Canva because it provides many elements we can use while editing. So go to Canva, choose the video icon from the dashboard, then select YouTube video from the available options. Now upload all the images and the voiceover. First, I need a beige background, but we haven't generated it yet, so I'll add this image here. Then click on the Edit option and select Magic Grab. Now click on the character. It will separate the character from the background image. Now delete the character, so only the background remains. We can use this background throughout the whole video. Next, add the audio to the timeline. Then, according to the audio, keep adding the character images and remove their backgrounds. Now add a text box. From here, choose the color and font. I'm currently using the Magnolia script font. Copy the first line from your script and paste it here. Set the text box properly and highlight any powerful words in red. Then, go to text animation. In this step 2, you need to highlight some words. Keep adding and editing images and text like this. Moreover, you'll also find stock footage in the Canva library, so you can add those in between as well. You'll also find some graphics related to your script, so you can add those too. For example, I'll add this devil image here. In this way, you'll find many graphics, like Bible books, related elements, and other visuals, so you can use them as well. That's it. Keep editing your full video in this way. Once you're done with editing, click on share and then download it. And that's it, guys. It's that simple. This is how you can create spiritual motivational videos related to the Bible. Just by using a few free AI tools. I hope you learned a lot from this video. And guys, as I said before, it takes a lot of time to find this niche and figure everything out. So please don't leave without liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Also, tell me in the comments what topic you want for the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Now let's check out the video we just created.
Have you ever felt like everything around you looks fine, yet deep inside something feels off? You can't explain it, but your peace is gone. Your joy feels distant. And even though you're praying, it's like the heavens are silent. Listen carefully. That's not just life being hard. That's often a sign of spiritual warfare. Because the devil doesn't always attack loudly. Sometimes he moves quietly. The enemy knows how to disguise his presence. He doesn't always come with horns or fire. He often comes with distractions, discouragement, and doubt. The Bible says in 1 Peter 5:8, "Be sober-minded, be watchful." Your adversary, the devil, prowls around like a roaring lion, seeking someone to devour. He doesn't need to roar to ruin you. Sometimes he whispers just enough to make you question your purpose, to make you forget who you are in Christ.